In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to find starred elements in Canva. So first you need to log into your Canva account, and when you do that, you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, locate the left-hand column of navigation options and click on templates. Now, when you click on templates, you need to look over to the top left-hand column again, and at the very top there is an open menu side peek option. You need to click on this, and when you click on this, you'll see a list of options within this. We're going to go for the last option called starred content. So once you find that, click on starred content and you will see all of your starred content from starred templates all the way through to starred elements. So these are two starred elements specifically. So if I click on the element, I can properly view it. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you had any issues along the way or you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video.